In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page easily with Hostinger Website Builder. This quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can have your own landing page up and running in no time. First, let's head over to Hostinger. This is the platform where you'll be constructing your landing page. Once you're on the home page, there's a clear button labeled Start Now. Click on it to begin the process. This will direct you to Hostinger's Plans page. Once on the Plans page, you'll see an option to choose plan. Take a moment to consider the features of each plan, and when you're ready, select the one that best fits your needs. Hostinger offers a variety of plans, so finding the right match should be a breeze. Next, you'll have the option to choose the duration of your subscription. Opt for a period that aligns with your project, timeline, and budget. After selecting your plan and subscription length, it's time to input your billing details. Take your time to carefully enter your information to ensure your subscription goes smoothly. Next up is choosing your payment method. Hostinger supports various options, making it convenient to find one that suits you. Having filled in your billing and payment details, go ahead and click Submit Payment. This step finalizes your purchase, bringing you one step closer to creating your landing page. You'll then be directed to Hostinger's H-Panel. It's an intuitive, user-friendly dashboard where you'll manage your site. Once in H-Panel, you'll be asked a few questions about your website. For instance, you're prompted to specify if the website is for personal use or for a business. This helps tailor your setup experience. They'll also ask if you want to create a new site or migrate an existing one. Select the option that applies to you. Following this, you'll choose the platform where you want to build your site. Hostinger gives you flexibility here, allowing you to pick what you're most comfortable with. You also need to choose a domain name. Your domain is important, so spend some time thinking about the name that best represents your brand or idea. After determining your domain, click Next, which will guide you to the style selection for your landing page. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Choose a style that resonates with your brand. Once satisfied with your choice, hit the Create a Website button. You're almost done. At this stage, you have the freedom to change colors and text and add various elements, customizing the page to fit your unique vision. Finally, connect your landing page to your domain to make it live. Click Next Step and then Continue to finish. And there you have it. You've just created a landing page with Hostinger Website Builder in just a few simple steps. Customize it to your liking and you're all set to go live with your brand new landing page. Thanks for watching and happy building.